Alright guys, thanks for clicking on this week's video. Today we're going to go over why you should not buy the dip. First things first, I'm going to put two examples up on the board right now. Here is Kodak, and here is this company that was just, everybody was talking about this last week. As you can see, they went up and they went down. And even after they went down a little bit, they continue to go down even further. To understand why this happens, you need to understand a little bit of trader psychology and why this happened. Basically, long story short, just like a little bit of pattern you see, some good news came out about the company. They shot way up, overvaluing themselves. Then the institutions, because trust me, it's the institutions, dumped all of their shares onto the retail traders that just picked up the news that they just saw how great this company is going to do and started unloading pretty much all unnecessary shares that they don't want onto you guys. And since they have way more buying power than me and you combined, they send the stock tumbling downwards. So in all reality, it's not your guys' fault the stock goes down. You just heard some great news. It should be revolutionary for this company to go way up, when in fact that it actually just was almost like a little ploy to take all your hard-earned money. Now, if you want to see how you can use this to benefit in your favor, I'm going to put a link in the description below to a video where I've talked about this before, like why it does pay to follow dumb money, you know, just to give you some ideas on how you can actually trade this kind of stuff. But long story short, that's it. That's really why you shouldn't buy the dip. You're the last one to get the news, trust me. So that by the time you're able to capitalize on those gains, other people already have, and so will other institutional traders. However, I will say beware of the kind of stock that you're doing that with, because, you know, the Kodak one, that was a whole completely different, like, pivotal shift in their company. You know, they went from camera making to all of a sudden doing pharmaceuticals. Obviously, that wasn't going to last, like, for the whole stock to keep rallying like that. They're not building upon their current company. And this other one, Taps or Topes or whatever it is, yeah, they might have some good news and it was a positive direction for their company, but the way they shot up the stock, it was totally overvalued. I mean, 20 employees and I think at $17 a share, it was over $150 million valuation. Come on now, that's crazy. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember, leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more future content.